Check all of them out.
Shamase! Hey everyone, this is Joseph. Welcome to the channel. I saw this on Marfugal TV. Explosion felt around the world. It says the explosive eruption of the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai volcano on Saturday sent tsunamis across the Pacific Basin and generated a seismic shock wave that could be seen from space. And then iLeah uploaded this video that says leading up to the eruption, massive lightning storms were seen over the site of the volcano.
Check all of them out.
Beams. By firing trillion-watt lasers, you rip apart the electrons, creating what are called ions, and these ions act like seeds, like dust particles, bringing down rain and even lightning.
Really good.
All batteries commence firing.